All right, so we got up real early this morning, not by design or plan, but it worked out real well. We're on the path headed to Charlie's Bunion. It's right up there. I think you can see a couple people sitting out there taking pictures. And if you look over this way, the sun is behind us to our left, but you look at that peak over there, getting some sun coming on it. This is the view we've got here. We had to hike about 30 minutes with headlamps. Again, we weren't trying to get here for any particular time or reason, so it just worked out that way. This is very, very neat right in here. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna turn it off because it's probably gonna get a little rocky up here. Oops. All right, so we've made it past Charlie's Bunion, and I just wanted to give a thanks to Andy and his hiking club for the maintenance of the trail that we've just been on. It's a rocky section of it, but it wasn't too bad. So we appreciate all the work you guys do out there. All right, here's one of those ridges, and there's the trail. And that's my foot for reference in terms of width. And then as soon as you go over there, it drops down, drops off. But more impressively, once you get over here, it drops off immensely down there. I can't give you the scope of it, but that is way down. So you got a ridge of about 4 feet wide, maybe 5 at the most. So yeah, a little breezy, but luckily it's not blowing hard up here, so got blessed with that. Just more of the beautiful landscape. All of us.
The bear
Came over the mountain, the bear came over the mountain, the bear came over the mountain to see what he could see. Come on, man. Pass us by, you know you want to. All right, we'll see you up the trail, Bear.
We'll do. Be safe, Bear.
All right, there he goes. Time for a snack break. And we don't even need to eat. We just soak in all of this grandeur. Made it to the top of a ridge, and this deserved a mighty woohoo! Man, I wish everybody could be here. Blah, blah. Just another pretty view. Yawn. All right, so we're here at Tri-Corner Knob Shelter, and it looks like it's going to be pretty packed tonight. I think we've got about 8 people, 9 people in there already. It'll hold 12. But this is a good one in terms of location. It's probably only a couple hundred yards off the trail. And then right here is the water source, the spring piped water. So that's, really close. Usually you got to walk about 1/10 of a mile down a hill to get it. And then our privy and our bear hanging cables are right, or bear food hanging cables are right over there. So that privy is right down there. So that's also nice to have everything that close together. So going to be another cold night tonight. I don't think it's going to be quite as cold as last night. Unfortunately, we don't have the view that we had last night. Last night we had a great view out across a valley, but can't win them all. We had lots of great views today. Today was the day of ridges and views.